To turn on a Honeywell heater, follow these simple steps. First, locate the device in your home and ensure its batteries are working. If not, consider replacing them with new ones. Next, find the front flap to access the available buttons, which typically include the plus and minus buttons, the manual button, the on and off button, and the menu button. Press the power button, usually located on the lower right of the device, to turn it on. Once the device is on, you can proceed to set temperature schedules using the other buttons. To set the temperature, press the menu button to enter settings mode. Then use the plus or minus buttons to change to set mode. From there, set the year, month, and day, and choose between manual or auto mode by pressing the middle button on the lower deck to select the auto option. To set the manual mode, lower the temperature below the current room temperature displayed on the thermostat using the plus and minus buttons. Once this is done, an automatic signal will be sent to the receiver to turn the Honeywell heater on, and a green light will indicate that the thermostat is on. With these steps, turning on your Honeywell heater is a straightforward process.